going to do my ballerina bun.
And what's your name?
Nora, my mom is this here. And she's going to do my hair and makeup. And I'm going to get dressed in my recital outfit. And I already have nail polish on, but it's kind of falling off.
All right, in order to do a ballerina bun for girls with short hair and bangs, these are the things that we need. At least 2 hair ties, a donut bun, some non-toxic hair gel, a comb, optional but very important for someone with knotty hair, detangler, some hairspray to secure the whole thing, as well as some non-slip grip hair clip.
So let's get started. hope you like our video and give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you like it. Hit the bell button so you don't miss any of our videos.
Bye.
Bye.